illegal business operations. Our research has uncovered a series of public safety and health code violations. This company operates without any compliance to city codes, state regulations, and zoning laws. Industrial sewage, wastewater machinery. These machines are used on raw sewage drains. They are associated with serious pathogens and contamination. It is nasty stuff. There are strict city and state safety regulation requirements for proper storage of these machines. Special zoning permits and conditional usage permits are required. Zoning approval from the city must be obtained. This company has no zoning permits to store these machines or to operate from this building. This is a public safety hazard. You are required to have a location zone for your business. You must go through the building permit process, from application to review to inspection. This company is in non-compliance with all city, state, and federal statutes and all health department regulations. They are in violation of all zoning provisions required to operate a sewage business, and there are no permits in place here.
This has been ongoing here in the city of San Francisco. A company that goes by the name of R&L Plumbing rented this basement. The landlord of this building informed the tenants who live in this building that the basement would be rented to two people who were going to store clean new machinery. That was over 2 years ago. Shortly after renting this basement to this plumbing company, a high volume of foot traffic started on a daily basis. There was a massive amount of construction happening in this basement illegally, which continued for months every day with loud hammering, sawing and building, without any permits for construction or zoning. The San Francisco Planning Commission was never notified and no application was ever submitted for any construction. No zoning permits were ever in place to store wastewater equipment on the premises. The city of San Francisco would never permit this basement as a base of operation to these plumbers for legal use or storage of wastewater equipment. The basement has low ceilings, no ventilation and no bathroom. No permits could ever be obtained for legitimate use. Added to the fact that there are tenants who live in this building who are subjected to cross-contamination, as the tenants have to use the same pathway to enter and exit this building. Further investigation has shown that R&L Plumbing has no physical building address location on file in the city of San Francisco that possesses proper zoning permits in place for their sewage business operations. The address listed on their website traces back to a location that a different business operates at. R&L Plumbing only rents a small office in someone else's place of business. There is no conditional use permit or zoning permit in place for R&L Plumbing Company at the physical address they have listed on their website, which is used as their business front. No permits could be issued for their sewage business at that business front location, as the business that legally operates in that building sells new equipment. Therefore, no dirty water waste equipment can be stored or moved in and out of that building due to serious cross-contamination factors. This plumbing company has been in non-compliance with all provisions, city codes, statutes and regulations governing the licensee's business. This location is not authorized and does not meet any of the requirements. From public health codes to fire codes to zoning regulations. For any sewage wastewater operation,